Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Descript for video editing. Descript video editing. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is go to Descript.com. This is their main website right here, what we are seeing right now, and you're going to have to install an application to be able to use the editing feature of Descript. You will be able to easily install the application of Descript by simply clicking on sign up over here, and after you create your account or after you sign in, you will be able to automatically download the software of Descript, which is this one over here. This is what they look like. We're going to explore this in a bit, but for now we're going to go back to the home page over here. Now, how do you use Descript for video editing? There's an explanation on their homepage over here, on their features over here, on their product tour, and we're going to explain to you how Descript works. Now, usually on the other software, editing software out there, what you need to do to be able to edit your videos is, of course, upload the video into the software. And if ever you would like to cut a specific section of your video, you're going to have to use the different tools to be able to crop that part out. Now in Descript, it is very different. You're going to have like a transcript of your video on the left side. As you can see here on the preview, this is the transcript and this is the video. If ever you would like to cut off a certain part of the video, you're simply going to select a part of the video. For example, here, I'm going to show you two shapes, and you can easily remove this by simply dragging your cursor and deleting it, and you will be able to easily cut that out of your video. You could easily edit it by script and scene, as you can see here. This is an example. This is a sample of a scene, and there will be a transcript of the specific scene, and you can remove that if ever you would like to remove it. It is both simple and powerful. There are some simple video editors out there, and there are some powerful video editors out there, but only Descript has the abilities to be both. It is both simple and powerful. And you can see here a preview of how it works, like a simple preview over here. It is also powered by artificial intelligence, and you will be able to have amazing features to be available for you. For example, you have the filler word removal. If ever you have the habit of saying or ah in your videos a lot, you can easily remove those by simply using the filler word removal feature of Descript, and it will remove all of those parts that you said or ah in your videos. You can also have overdub, which will allow you to create a realistic clone of your voice using AI and simply use the text to speech generator to create words for you, and it is very easy to use. You can also have templates that you could use for your videos. So after installing or after downloading your Descript application into your computer, simply open it and you will be able to see this. Over here on the left side, this is where you can see your recent projects. The recent projects that you have done or like recent videos that you have started creating. You also have your quick recordings, shared with me, downloaded, and voice over here. This is where you can create your AI voice and templates over here. Now right now we're using the free version, so there is a lot of limitation. But if you would like to upgrade, you will be able to upgrade over here. As you can see, you have the $30 per month option over here. And you can see different pricing over here on their homepage. You have the free version, which has a lot of limitation. You have the creator, which is $12, pro, which is $24, and enterprise over here. There's 20% off for annual billing, but this is the one for monthly, $15 and $30 over here. Now going back to our Descript application over here, you could easily create a new project by clicking on new project. But for me, we're going to continue with a project that I already started with, and I already uploaded it. And as you can see, this is one of the scene. It already made a transcript of the video, and this is the video. Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. And you can see that there is like a dead air over here. You could easily remove that by selecting a specific option over here, like a blade. Then you could go here. Then you could cut that specific part that you don't like, just like that. And you could easily delete them by simply selecting it just like that. And also, you will be able to add like videos over here by simply pressing space and clicking on the add option over here. You could add file into script, file, which is your videos, a scene, which is this one, marker, speaker label, comment, inline note, recording, text, caption, rectangle, eclipse, waveforms, progress bar, and arrow over here. You could add whatever you would like to add into your videos over here. Just like that, you will be able to see it in this section. And when you play this, let's go back to our start here. When you play this, you will see like a progress bar over here. You could add whatever you would like to add to your videos, as you can see. Then you could add more scenes by clicking on add. Then you could upload more videos into your page over here. Now, how Descript works is like very similar to PowerPoint. You can see here different slides over here. Like each slide has a different video. So depending on how you would like to edit, it is going to be how you will be able to edit over here. Like you could drag them around over here. You could rearrange them however you would like by doing that, as you can see. And you can also edit like the backgrounds, effects, transitions, progress bar over here. Now right now there is a limitation on what we could show you because we're using the free version. As you can see, I only have 48 minutes of transcription remaining, and I would need to upgrade to increase my transcription limit over here. And you could see like the different layers that you added. You could see also transitions, effects, backgrounds over that. And like you could see here on the media, you click on media and then you could choose all of the things that you have uploaded before. You could add it over here. For example, for the scene 1, we could add another video over here, just like that. Simply click on add new layer and you could include in script and it will have an inscription. As you can see here, it's transcribing the specific clip that you have added into your video. It will automatically transcribe it. Similarly with this one over here. You can also record over here, like add a recording to your video. You could add a text, shape, and templates over here if ever you would like to see some templates. And as you can see here, it's already transcribing, and once it's finished transcribing, it's going to show you the text that you have just transcribed. And you could see here also at below, like the different clips that is already on your section over here. And as you can see, we have another transcription over here. Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today where it's going to be cut because the clip is cut too short over here, only 4 seconds. So if you want to add more, choose a clip that has longer. And after editing your videos, it's very easy to edit videos. You can simply click on publish over here and you will be able to publish the video that you have just created. And there's also other things that you could do. You could add team members. You could make it sure that it is synced. You could make sure that your things are synced, like your audio and video are synced. You could also use like correct over here, overdub, which I said earlier, replace the media with AI generated speech. You could also write a script and generate AI speech over here. Overdub uses your voice. This one uses other AI voice over here. For example, let's try this out. Click that. And you can type in whatever you would like to say. Just like that. And it will add it to your section. So let's say, hello once again. Just like that. Then let's leave it like that. Now let's see if it will work. Let's start with this one though, on our first one. Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today it's not working right now because I don't think we chose AI yet. So let's see. You will be able to have an option on what AI will be used for your transcript over here, but right now it's not really working for me. But that is how you will be able to add like extra text to here, and it will be able to like use different words or different voices for your video, and you can do whatever you want. It's very easy to navigate, and if ever you go to go back to your projects, you can simply click that and you can see all the things that you have edited over here. And that's it guys, that's how you could use Descript to edit your videos. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.